Okay, you were fasted again all day today. Have you changed anything in the car since Hungary, or?
Yeah, it's a new brand new car. We changed it because we haven't any chance. We need to give my last car for the Citroën Racing to take part for them in American X Games, and we have enough time to build a new car. It's totally the same, like nothing is different. Small adjustments, but it's nothing. On the suspension, on the engines, on the gearbox, and everything is the same. Just small adjustments, different buttons, and nothing.
You think you can do the same again tomorrow?
I hope so, that it will be enough speed for tomorrow. I think that the guys will driving tomorrow faster because the track is going better and the guys is quite fast, and it's okay. We will see. We don't know exactly how it will be in the end, but I hope so that I will be in the A final and have some good result, because I haven't any chance for the mistake, and I need to be somewhere with the good points.
Okay, thank you very much.